Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 8 divided by 1 over 2 times 4. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 1 over 2 times 4 is the same as 4 divided by 2, which equals 2. So we have 8 divided by 2, which equals 4. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division, 8 divided by 1 over 2. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Then times 4. Now, 8 times 2 gives us 16, and 16 times 4 equals 64. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 64.